This is a 2-pack solar street lamp. It's really small, and one is hanging above me already. And I'm going to show you what it looks like. It's not that hard to build. It has a sensor that's going to sense any detection, and 3 modes. Mode 1, 2, 3. Normally one mode is dusk to dawn. Another mode is 100% brightness and shuts off, no motion, after so many seconds. And the other one is 100% brightness, one motion, and lowers down to like 30% when it's just steady. This is the instruction guide, very simple to build it. And inside you're going to get the arm, the bracket, screws, and a remote control. 2 full sets. The only thing extra you do not get on the second set is instructions. So let's show you how easy it is to build this, and we're going to wait for the evening hours to show you how it operates. All you need is a screwdriver. Empty everything out on the table. You're going to take the bracket, you're going to match it up holes like so. Take the long bolt, put it in the round end. You take the nut and you line it up, and you leave everything nice and loose on the table, so when you're ready to go upstairs to make your adjustments, you do so. On this piece, this is the nut. This is the bolt side. You slide the bolt through. You take the other nut and you place it on. You push the nut into the hole. When you adjust everything to the way you like it, you then are ready to take the remote control. Pull out the tab that's in the bottom. If you ever need to replace the batteries, it's a 2025 battery, slide one in. And this is what's going to happen when you turn the unit on for the first time. It'll light up. And when you cover it, you can shut it off, turn it on, go to mode 1, mode 2, and mode 3. We'll show you what it looks like at night time. In the sun, as you can see, the light. We'll give you a good look at nighttime and show you how it operates. We have here is the 2-pack light. Let's turn it on. This is going to be mode 1, 100% brightness at night. For 30 seconds it'll stay lit 100%, and then it'll dim down into the off position. And when it detects motion, it will light up. If we hit number 2 would detect motion and should dim down to about 30% after 30 seconds. That is dimmed down to 30 seconds. Now, when you get mode 3 will stay at 30% dusk to dawn, stay on. So it's best to put this on to what you like. If you want it to be on dark until something brightens it up, that'd be up to you. I hope you enjoy your 2-pack. Put it all around. You could play basketball, you can light the area up, you could have a picnic, and it'll do a nice job making it secure and all with a solar street mini lamp. Hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.